What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Funtoken, which has pumped up nearly 70% in the last, well, I wouldn't say 24 hours, literally in the last 2 hours guys. It's pumped up from 0.004 cents to 0.008 cents, so essentially has doubled in value in a space of about 2 hours. So we're going to be looking at what's happened with this crypto, why is it pumping so much, where is it heading to next guys, is it going to keep pumping, is it going to crash back down in value, and is it potentially going to hit the 1 cent target, as it is getting very close to that. And going into 2024, what can we expect from Funtoken? Is it crypto to be investing into, or is it one to avoid? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of Funtoken, which is here in purple at half a cent. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in green at nearly 0.009 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can clearly see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know the MACD indicator is not realistic when it's looking this steep. But I understand why it's looking so steep is because of the huge pump that's taken place. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, no guys, I'm not expecting it to keep pumping in value at that pace. In fact, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Funtoken to have dropped back down in value below 0.007 cents is where it should be trading at by the end of the day today. However, in between that time, it is likely to pump up over the 1 cent target. So over the next couple of hours, I'm expecting it to keep hitting green candles before it slowly starts to drop back down in value towards this afternoon, evening time, dropping below 0.007 cents. And as you guys can see, as I'm recording the video, it's pumping right now. Again, it may even hit the 1 cent target as I'm recording, but yeah, it is likely to hit green candles followed by red candles, so essentially like a wave, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. So once again, this is not realistic. Same reason as the last chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, guys, by mid next week, Funtoken should essentially be hovering around half a cent, guys. It should have dropped all the way back down to where it was trading earlier this morning. Just below half a cent is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by mid next week. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit green days in between here and there, but most days are going to be red, dropping down in value. And even over the next 12 to 14 hours, as I mentioned, is likely to drop down, and from then onwards, yeah, it's just going to keep dropping down to where it was trading at. It's a pump out of nowhere, and again, it's not sustainable. Majority of the time when things like this happen, the crypto ends up dropping all the way back down. Moving on to the daily chart, again, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep. So same reason, same predictions, is not realistic, guys. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late January, early February, Funtoken should be trading around 0.006 cents in target. Somewhere around here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason is, once it drops all the way back down below half a cent, it should essentially slowly and steadily increase in value over the next 2 to 3 months, heading over to this price target here. Nothing major is expected from this crypto at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that. In fact, what I'm expecting is a major crash back down to where it was trading earlier on this morning. But other than that, no major changes are expected over the long term. However, if there are any news or updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Funtoken, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to give you guys a brief idea on what I mean. So as you guys can see, it's broken out from the red zone without resistance, broken out from the green zone without resistance, and right now trading in the blue zone. So there was no resistance, it's not sustainable, it's pumped up way too much, it's overvalued right now. So its next target is for it to drop back down into the red zone, but over the next couple of days is what I'm expecting, or even in the next 12 to 14 hours, it is likely to drop back down into the red zone, hovering to where it was trading before. Because what a sustainable project would essentially do is, yes, it may break out from the red zone heading into the green zone, but it would have some sort of resistance, which this crypto did not have in both instances, in the red zone and in the green zone. It literally just broke out without resistance. So that basically means it's not sustainable and it is likely to drop back down where it was trading to before. However, going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up nearly 3,000%, guys, making it $32 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. What this means is a lot of people are trading the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers trading the crypto, hovering around it as well. So it is getting a lot of traction at the moment in the crypto market, especially that it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well. Yeah, that basically means everyone's on it at the moment, and the trading volume is likely to go even higher over the coming hours. Would I recommend, or would I personally invest into the crypto right now? Simple answer is no, I wouldn't. Reason is, it is way overvalued. It's pumped up, as you guys can see now, nearly 100% according to Binance. Yeah, 106% now, and it has officially hit the 1 cent target as I'm recording this video. That is absolutely crazy, guys. Obviously it's gonna hover around 1 cent up and down, but yeah, as you guys can clearly see, it's hit 1 cent, which is absolutely insane. But that just means that it is likely to crash harder over the coming days as well. And yes, guys, it has hit 0.0102 cents. So yeah, comment down below your predictions on this crypto. What is the highest, lowest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Are you guys investing? Are you guys selling? Or are you guys holding back like myself? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video. And I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.